students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So next question is statement type question, where first statement is left-hand derivative of f of x is equals to mod x at x is equals to 0 is minus 1. And statement 2, left-hand derivative of f of x at x is equals to a is limit h tends to 0 f of a minus h. So this second statement is actually describing the formula of left-hand derivative, which is actually not equals to this. If you remember the formula of left-hand derivative for f dash of a minus, this is left-hand derivative, or for right-hand derivative it is f dash of a plus, correct? So formula for a minus, derivative for a minus, it will be a limit h tends to 0 f of a minus h minus f of a divided by minus h, correct? This is the formula. So statement 2 is incorrect. So statement 2 is false. So we can eliminate B option and C option, correct? Now let's, using this formula, let's try to find the left hand derivative for this function at x is equals to 0, and let's see whether the statement 1 is correct or not. So let's see, f dash of 0 minus, correct? We are supposed to find left hand derivative at x is equals to 0, it will be 0 minus is equals to, now function, it will be f of 0 minus h, it will be limit is equals to limit h tend to 0. Now instead of function, function is mod x. So mod of a minus h, and a is 0, so it will be 0 minus h minus mod of a minus mod of a, correct? And divided by minus h, divided by minus h. So this is equals to limit h tends to 0, mod of minus h will be h, and this is in this case a is equals to 0, right? So it will be mod of 0, which is again 0. So this will be entire numerator will convert into h, and denominator we have minus h. So h and h will cancel out. This is equals to minus 1. So statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. So our correct option will be option A. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.